ब्रेक के बाद आप सबका स्वागत है। आप देख रहे हैं अपना पसंदीदा कार्यक्रम कम्युनिटी ईराना पर। मैं हूं विकास नांगिया। अमेरिकन आइडल और इंडियन आइडल के प्रचलित होने के बाद अब बारी है देसी आइडल की। शिकागो में शनिवार 5 जुलाई को यह संगीत व नृत्य प्रतियोगिता गेटवे थिएटर में आयोजित की जाएगी। देसी आइडल के लिए अटलांटा, टोरंटो, न्यूयॉर्क, न्यू जर्सी, शिकागो, ह्यूस्टन, फ्लोरिडा और कैलिफोर्निया में ऑडिशंस आयोजित किए गए थे। हमारे ब्यूरो चीफ से वंदना जिंगन ने देसी आइडल प्रतियोगिता के एग्जीक्यूटिव डायरेक्टर अर्थर मोहम्मद से बातचीत की।
With me is the founder of Desi Idol. I call him founder because it's his brainchild. Athar Mohammed, welcome to TV Asia. How the whole thought process came in your mind, bringing all the talent from the various major cities in the North America and bringing them on one platform and picking it up, Desi Idol. The D-Day is coming very soon. How does it feel to you?
It's really exciting. Firstly, thank you very much to TV Asia and the viewers of TV Asia for supporting us throughout the event. The concept I started was in 2003 in Toronto. Then I realized that we need to have a platform in order to promote the local talent. Then we started the competition, and now we got the trademark registered, and we did all the auditions across North America, and we are getting ready for the finals.
You were traveling all the major cities yourself and seeing the experience of the talent available. How was your experience from one city to another?
It was a great experience, actually, and the overwhelming support we got in all different states. And I see the talent. They're really excited. They waited, for hours for the auditions, and they was there till we completed. So I see a lot of talent which we can use it from here itself, not bringing from outside. Instead of that, we can really make some good productions locally.
So your what is the mission and the objective of Desi Idol, if I want to ask you?
Desi Idol, the main objective is to create idols in all different areas, not only just singing and dancing, but in future we'll cover other areas also, knowledgeable, sports and all. So we are just trying to create idols so that the generation can look forward and follow some good examples. That's the whole idea. After completing the auditions across North America, now we are getting ready for the finals on July 5th. We are getting really a very great response from Chicago, and we are looking forward to have this competition on July 5th at Gateway Theatres. And all our team players are working on the field. It's really exciting to see the talent and to have this dancing and singing competition, which includes also actually stand-up comedy, and we have Bollywood singers, Krishna, who got the Stardust Award. For Chak Day, he's coming also, and he's going to be on the judges panel. We have other judges, which is Tushar Unadkat, the art director for When Kiran Met Kiran, and we have Chandru Bhamra from FIA, and Ifti Naseem, the Chicago poet, and Rehan Siddiqui from Hamdam City, Houston. So looking forward to see you guys at Gateway Theatres on July 5th.